Are you constantly rushing through your lunch break, reaching for vending machine snacks or ordering takeout again? What if I told you that in the same amount of time it takes to boil water or scroll through your phone, you could have a healthy, satisfying homemade lunch ready to go? No joke. Today, we're diving into quick, nutritious lunch ideas you can make in under 5 minutes. Let's turn your chaotic midday meal into a moment of nourishment. No stress, no stove, just smart, fast eating. Welcome back to Smart Eating Habits, your destination for easy, realistic, and delicious health hacks. In this video, we're showing you how to skip the prep, dodge the fast food line, and still enjoy real, whole food that supports your energy, productivity, and wellness goals. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or juggling a packed schedule, these under 5-minute lunches are your new secret weapon. We'll walk through 10 powerful and easy lunch ideas that require minimal ingredients, no complicated cooking techniques, and best of all, deliver big on taste and nutrition. Ready? Let's go. 1. Avocado tuna salad wrap. Start with 1 ripe avocado, mash it with a fork in a bowl. Add 1 drained can of tuna, a squeeze of lemon, a pinch of salt, pepper, and some chili flakes if you like a kick. Mix it all together. Now grab a whole wheat wrap, spread the mixture, and layer in a handful of spinach or arugula. Roll it up. Done. This wrap is rich in healthy fats, high in protein, and surprisingly filling. Bonus, it keeps well if you prep it the night before. 2. Greek yogurt chicken pita. Got leftover chicken or store-bought rotisserie? Shred it. Mix it with a few spoonfuls of plain Greek yogurt, some chopped cucumber, a sprinkle of dried dill, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Stuff it all into a whole wheat pita pocket. Boom. You've got a creamy, crunchy, tangy, high-protein lunch packed with probiotics and zero mayo. 3. Power bowl with chickpeas and feta. Grab a bowl, add a half cup of canned chickpeas, rinsed, a handful of cherry tomatoes, halved, a few spinach leaves, crumbled feta, a drizzle of olive oil, and some lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper. You now have a Mediterranean-inspired power bowl, plant-based, satisfying, and full of fiber. 4. Hummus, veggie sandwich. Spread hummus generously on 2 slices of whole grain bread. Add thin sliced cucumbers, shredded carrots, baby spinach, maybe a few olives or sprouts if you've got them. Close the sandwich, slice, and serve. This one's vegan, crunchy, colorful, and crazy fast. 5. Microwave egg mug. Crack 2 eggs into a mug. Add a splash of milk, a handful of spinach, a sprinkle of shredded cheese, and your favorite seasoning. Stir. Microwave on high for 1.5 to 2 minutes, stirring halfway through. It's a quick protein boost that tastes like a mini omelet, and you eat it straight from the mug. 6. Turkey and cheese roll-ups. Lay out slices of turkey breast, spread with mustard or hummus, top with a slice of cheese, and roll them up like sushi. Secure with a toothpick if needed. Pair with apple slices or a handful of almonds. This combo is high in protein, low in carbs, and great for low-effort meal prep. 7. Leftover grain bowl remix. Have leftover rice or quinoa. Toss it with black beans, diced bell peppers, chopped cilantro, and a scoop of salsa. Add a squeeze of lime and top with avocado if you have it. It's like a 5-minute burrito bowl without the tortilla or the cost. 8. Almond butter banana wrap. Spread almond butter on a whole wheat tortilla, place a banana in the center, sprinkle with cinnamon or chia seeds, and roll it up. Slice it in half or eat it like a burrito. Great for sweet cravings, loaded with potassium, fiber, and slow-digesting energy. 9. Smoked salmon cream cheese toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, spread with cream cheese, top with smoked salmon, add capers and thin sliced red onion. Drizzle with lemon juice. A brunch-style luxury in under 5 minutes. High in omega-3s and gourmet-level flavor. 10. Quick Asian noodle salad. Use store-bought pre-cooked soba or rice noodles. Toss with shredded carrots, cucumber ribbons, sesame oil, a splash of soy sauce, and green onions. Add cooked tofu or edamame for extra protein. This salad is cool, crunchy, and incredibly refreshing. So here's the twist. Lunch doesn't have to be complicated to be good for you. The secret is stocking a few staple ingredients, prepping in batches where possible, and thinking in combinations rather than recipes. Mix a protein, a veggie, and a healthy fat, and you've got a balanced, energizing meal. Think about how many times you've skipped lunch or chosen fast food because you didn't have time. These ideas show that time isn't the problem, it's strategy. And now you've got one. We want to hear from you. What's your go-to quick lunch? Did any of these inspire your next meal? Leave your ideas in the comments. Someone out there is looking for exactly what you make. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world nutrition tips, and share this with a friend who's always saying, I don't have time to eat healthy. With smart eating habits, you've got the tools, you just need to press play and take that first bite.